Want to ditch the physical SIM card? Optimum Mobile makes it easy with eSIM. An eSIM is a digital SIM embedded in your phone, allowing for quick activation. First, make sure you have an eSIM compatible device, like a newer iPhone or Android phone. Check device compatibility with this guide. Then, download the Optimum Mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and either sign up for a new account or log in if you're an existing customer. Select an eSIM plan that fits your needs. The app will guide you through verifying your device's compatibility and providing the necessary information. Finally, scan the QR code displayed on the screen using your phone's camera or follow the on-screen prompts to install your eSIM profile. Confirm the activation via SMS or an in-app notification. That's it. You're now connected with Optimum Mobile's eSIM service. While eSIM activation is generally smooth, here are some troubleshooting tips. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, during the activation process. Double-check that your device is unlocked and compatible with Optimum Mobile's eSIM service. If you encounter errors, restart your device and try again. For persistent issues, Optimum Mobile offers 24/7 support chat within the app. A key advantage of eSIM is the ability to easily switch plans and carriers, and even have multiple profiles for travel or work. Optimum Mobile's prepaid plans offer flexibility with no contracts. Also, note that while eSIM is secure, always protect your account credentials to prevent unauthorized access. Finally, remember that eSIM technology is constantly evolving, so check the Optimum Mobile website or app for the latest features and updates.